Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna do a special announcement, so make sure you guys stick around for the details. You won't want to miss it. If this is your first time joining me, I would love if you became part of this YouTube family and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Look who's gonna join me for this special announcement, and I would definitely love to see your guys' recreations. So for this announcement, my girl Lisa with the channel GreenCrystalRose decided to get together to give 4 cash prizes to 4 lucky winners. I'm gonna go ahead and give you the list of rules that you have to follow to qualify. So you have to be following my channel. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Also make sure that you subscribe to Green Crystal Rose. All right, you gotta be sure that you're following us on Instagram. Follow my Instagram at Unboxed Designs, and then also follow Crystal at Home. If you don't follow us on Instagram, you will be automatically disqualified. It is super easy to sign up for Instagram, trust me. Alright, you guys, you see how much effort it takes to make one of these videos. Okay, I had to set her down because she wasn't letting me talk. So, if you have ever recreated one of our DIYs, if you feel like recreating a new DIY, we would love for you guys to DM us your pictures, tag us in your post. When you send us your post, we are going to pick our top favorite, and we're going to have a voting going on Instagram, so you guys have to be a part of it. First place is going to win $100 cash money. Second place is gonna win $50, and then third and fourth places will win $25. So if you haven't already recreated one of our DIYs, what are you waiting for? The deadline will be 2 weeks from today, so you have until June 26th to send us your post. Tag us in your post. The winners will be announced on June 30th. So it's almost that time. If you guys miss any of these rules, replay it or go down to the description box and read the rules there. So after all that, let's go on and get on to the super fun DIY. I found these new fleece baby blankets at Dollar Tree. They're 30 by 30 inches, and I thought they were super cute and exactly the colors that I wanted, also really soft. I'm gonna go ahead and use 4 of these, and we're gonna make a blanket. For this DIY, I am gonna sew because I want to make sure that this lasts, so I'm gonna sew right along here and then the 4 squares together, and I'll kind of show you just a little bit on that. Walmart has really inexpensive fleece blankets for like $2, $3, $5, but I thought this was gonna be really cute, just as a challenge to make out of Dollar Tree items, and then also to match some of the other decor that I will make.
It did not bother me. The sun is shining through every window pane. It's bathing you in light, so why should I complain? If there should ever be a storm or a pouring rain, we'll look out through the window.
Okay, so this is all folded up back into a square. So I have my 4 corners right here. The excess that was left over in the center, I went ahead and cut it out, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and make some holes right here, and I'm gonna thread this. I'm gonna thread one of these in each corner and just make like a little bow design. Also, if you double it up and thread it through, you can just make a bow like that, and it'll be kind of smaller and bulkier.
The sun is shining through every window pane. It's bathing you in light, so why should I complain? If there should ever be a storm or a pouring rain, we'll look out through the window pane where the sun will shine.
For this one, I'm gonna take another one of the Dollar Tree fleece blankets, and I'm taking a pillow that I already have.
I've been through changes, all of my life started from zero with nothing behind. Feels so
Alright, so that's that's all sewed up. And don't be afraid to use a needle and thread if you don't have a sewing machine. And then I will also link some alternatives down in the description box.
Easier with a reason and rhyme, and it feels so right. Yeah, I've been through changes.
For this DIY, I went to Walmart and I bought 4 of these flat twin size sheets, and then also some of these clip rings. These are about $4 and change each, and these are exactly $5.22. So I'm gonna use 5 rings for each of the panels, and these are gonna be our DIY curtains. You'll need 3 of these that come in a pack of 7. I just went ahead and put the clips on the rod. You'll excuse Milani crying in the background. I know the curtain rod doesn't match. I could always paint it, but just for the sake of the video to show you guys how this looks, I went ahead and clipped it. Again, I used 5 clips per panel or per sheet, and then I went ahead and folded it over.
I've been through changes all of my life. All of my life.
We're gonna go ahead and take one of these Dollar Tree planters. Some of this vinyl, it's the one that has the stone finish on it. 5 stems of this onion grass. Some floral foam. You can use the pool noodles. A little bit of the river rocks. Some Spanish moss, and a plunger, and also a little bit of floral tape.
don't see the same thing. It's time that we just let it die. Oh, I can find a higher love over the clouds above. I can find a higher ground. I just have to reach past the summit line. I can find a higher line over the clouds above.
guys, so that is gonna be it for today's video. I really hoped you enjoyed it. It was super easy and budget friendly. Again, I'm gonna remind you guys of the giveaway. So in all, we're gonna give away $200 in cash prizes. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Lisa with the channel Green Crystal Rose, follow me at Unboxed Designs, and follow Lisa at Crystal at Home. If you missed any of that, head on to the description box. Thank you so much for joining me. Leave me a thumbs up, any comments down below, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.